In this video, I'm going to go through the steps for setting up your OmniSend account. Really simple, only takes a few minutes. Go to the OmniSend website to begin with, and then click Start for Free in the top right-hand corner. Then I'm going to select Sign Up with Email. Put my business email in here. Choose a password. Recommend something secure. I use something called LastPass, which is going to create my password for me. Business is e-commerce. Got to agree to the terms. Sign up. And it'll send an email to your email client. So go and check your email client for email, click verify, and it'll take you to the next step of the process. Be sure to check your spam folder, because often these kind of emails can end up in a spam folder. While we're waiting for the verification email to come, let's just take a look at the pricing. Click on the pricing tab in the top navigation. Here we can see the different pricing options available. There's no reason not to start with a free plan, get used to the tool, but if you find that you are going over, if you're making any sales, quickly find you go over the free plan level. And from there on in, the cost of OmniSend depends on how big your list is. So for example, if you have 2,000 people on your list, it tells us here that starts off at $30 a month, and you can also get more features if you sign up for Pro. Now, the verification email from OmniSend should have arrived by now, so let's check Outlook and see if it's turned up. There you can see OmniSend complete your registration. If I click verify email address, takes us back to OmniSend where we can complete the registration. So once you click on the verify email link within your email client, you should be taken to a page at OmniSend where they'll ask you for a bit more information. I've set up a test store in Shopify, so let's just enter the details here. Platform we're using for this example, we're going to use Shopify. Which email marketing you're currently using? We are not. We're using Shopify email. Let's just say that. Continue. What is your business address? So I'm just going to put my address in, and then yes, time zone's London, then continue to OmniSend. Just setting up our account. And there we have it. We have a free OmniSend account. To see details of the account that we've set up, let's click on Test Store in the top left-hand corner. We can see that we're on the free plan. With the free plan, you get 500 emails a month. You also get $1 of SMS. If you want to upgrade, if that's not enough for you, then if you click on Upgrade at the top right-hand corner here, it'll give you all the upgrade options. So there you have it. Really simple to set up an OmniSend account. Just doing that, you'll set up yourself up a free account. You can always upgrade your account in future if you go over the limit.